Have you ever thought about detoxifying your liver? Picture this, a natural, homemade remedy that not only cleanses your liver, but also boosts your overall health. Today, we're diving into the world of herbal wonders and revealing a simple yet effective recipe for a liver detox tea. Our key ingredients are dandelion root, milk thistle seeds, turmeric, ginger, and lemon. Each of these elements plays a significant role in supporting liver health. Dandelion root, known for its detoxifying properties, works wonders for liver health. Milk thistle seeds contain silymarin, a compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that actively support liver function. Turmeric, with its powerful ingredient curcumin, offers antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that help protect the liver from damage. Ginger, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties, supports digestion and liver function. Lastly, lemon, a powerhouse of vitamin C and antioxidants, flushes toxins from the liver and aids in digestion. Now, let's brew some magic. Begin by preparing the herbal blend. Mix together a teaspoon each of dandelion root, milk, thistle seeds, ground turmeric, and grated ginger in a small bowl. Next, bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small saucepan. Once the water is boiling, remove it from the heat and add the herbal blend. Let this mixture steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the herbs to release their beneficial compounds into the water. Once the tea has steeped, strain it into a cup using a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser. Add the juice of half a lemon and stir well. If you prefer your tea sweet, add honey to taste. Now comes the best part, savoring your homemade herbal liver detox tea. Sip it slowly, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum detoxification benefits. Repeat this daily or as desired to support liver health and detoxification. This herbal liver detox tea is a refreshing and nourishing beverage that combines the cleansing properties of dandelion root, milk thistle seeds, turmeric, ginger, and lemon. It's not just a cup of tea, it's a cup of health and well-being. Enjoy.